in order for us to create the most perfect vehicle, everything had to come together in the right manner. The way I designed the product, the way I designed the tooling, the way I buy the equipment, the way I put them together, and making sure that repeatedly I can get this perfection.
Perfection is just the beginning. In the body shop, 4 robots are tasked with high precision welding, a critical step to refine the car's fit and finish.
Anything going wrong here is a very big problem for us.
The surfaces and contours of the car are measured in 3 dimensions, mapping its shape down to the micron. The team will report any imperfections that appear.
Even if the smallest measurement is not met, we send the car back.
Prototype passes and the XUV 500 moves on. The styling and R&D team hands the baton over to the manufacturing team. Part by part, robots and welders piece the car together on the assembly line. The first global Indian-built SUV is almost a reality. The XUV's shape and finish has to be perfect, down to the millimeter.